So I'm back again with another video, and it's a makeup tutorial. I would say it's on the more drugstore side because I only use one product that's high-end, and it's a Smashbox foundation. But I am loving how this look came out. You know, it's cute, but it's not nothing too major. You know, you could go to the grocery store with this, could chill with your boo like this, you know, come through with the highlight, sis. Anyways, I also have one product that I really love, and it was basically my first impression on this product. It's actually a drugstore product, or you can find it at the beauty supply store, but it's the Ruby Kisses HD HD settings powder, set and forget, and I got it in the color Earth and Honey. Let me tell you something. I was scared because, you know, I usually wear my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I was scared, like, you know, there could be flashback, you know, but sis, there was no flashback with this product at all. I took a picture and everything, and there's no flashback with this product. And I was amazed because I spent like $3. And sometimes I get flashback with the Sacha Buttercup powder. But if I spent $3 on this, and my skin is looking not crazy with flash, like, yes, I recommend this to all my dark skin beauties. Even my light skin girls, they still got a color above this one, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it because I love it. Hey guys, so this was originally a talk through video, but since I had to speed everything up so the time wasn't too long, I just muted everything and then added some music. So you guys can keep watching and enjoy the rest of the video. Mwah! Okay, so since it's my first time using the Ruby Kisses HD 16-hour flawless rub proof wear setting powder, it's gonna be my first impression. So and I'm gonna mix it with my Sasha Buttercup powder. See how it will come out. I don't set my face for a long time because I do have dry skin. So I like to set it for like 5 minutes tops. And that's it. I feel like in the mirror it looks really orangey. On the camera it looks good, so I'm just gonna go back on top of that with my Sasha Buttercup powder. And then with like the areas that I don't really need that much highlight, that's when I'm gonna use the Ruby Kisses setting powder. Okay, so I'm gonna contour, and I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette. I should just call this a drugstore. Would this be considered a drugstore makeup tutorial?